Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where the limits of speed, technology, and adrenaline are pushed further every time we roll in. And today a broken bar. We're not talking about the motorcycle, we're talking about a weapon. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, still the king, still untouchable, and now even more brutal than ever, right from the moment you see it. The 2026 H2R looks like something born out of a sci-fi film and built for the future. The exposed carbon fiber bodywork, the aggressive winglets, the razor-sharp line as it doesn't just look fast, it looks angry, like it's ready to tear a hole in the atmosphere. And trust me, it will. Underneath that raw and menacing design is a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine that now produces a jaw-dropping 335 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, at 335 horses in a motorcycle. Kawasaki didn't just chase numbers, they rewrote the rules. New engine mapping, a lighter titanium intake system, and revised combustion efficiency all contribute to delivering this insane power more smoothly and responsively. The exhaust note, it's not a sound, it's a roar from the mechanical gods. Deep, brutal, and alive. Twist the throttle, and it screams like a fighter jet preparing for takeoff. But make no mistake here, this bike doesn't just make noise, it delivers unmatched acceleration that borders on violent. 0 to 100 km/h, it's already there before you blink. Kawasaki has also updated the aerodynamics in the 2026 model. Those carbon winglets aren't for show, they're functional. At over 300 km/h, they generate serious downforce, keeping the front end planted and the bike stable under acceleration. Even the side fairings are now reshaped to cut drag more efficiently while improving airflow to the supercharger. But speed is nothing without control. That's where Kawasaki's new generation electronics step in. A revised 6-axis IMU controls traction, wheelie mitigation, cornering ABS, launch control, and engine braking. The new ride-by-wire system is sharper, more precise, and completely customizable across multiple ride modes. Whether you're on a test track or chasing records on a runway, the H2R adopts like a machine with a mind of its own. The chassis, pure engineering brilliance, trellis frame, braced swing arm, A-Lens TTX rear suspension, and updated kibos 2 forks. Every component speaks the language of performance. The feedback from the road, the connection you feel at high speeds, and the confidence it gives mid-corner. This is not a toy, it's a tool for the obsessed. Braking is handled by Brembo-style EMA calipers biting into massive 330mm discs. When you're flying at 350 km/h, you need more than just stopping power, you need absolute trust, and this system delivers it. The 2026 H2R also features a new higher-resolution TFT dash. Now larger and with better visibility in bright conditions. It displays everything from boost pressure to lean angle to lap timing. Connect your phone via Kawasaki's Radiology app, and you've got data logging, GPS tracking, and remote tuning all at your fingertips. And yes, this beast is still track only. No headlights, no mirrors, no compromise. This is Kawasaki's ultimate expression of what happens when engineers and madmen are given a blank check and told to build something faster than fast. So who is the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R really for? It's not for the casual rider, it's not for the faint of heart. This machine is for those who crave the extra mile, for riders who don't just chase speed but command it, for the legends who aren't afraid to go full throttle into the future. If you felt your pulse spike just watching this, imagine what it's like to ride it. Hit that like button, subscribe to Rolling Legends, and drop a comment below. Could you handle the H2R, or would it handle you? Until next time, stay fearless, stay fast, and remember, some bikes are fast to broken bar, but this one is feral. Catch you in the next one.